Let's go to bed. Come on, let's go to bed.
I'm going to bed.
Obviously not, you're still laying on the couch.
Well,
Hmm?
that's because of Billy. The boys ain't got no respect, man.
What boys? What boys?
The ones he got.
Who's got?
You.
What about me? Huh? Come on, Mom, let's go to bed. Ain't nobody here. I don't know what boys you talking about.
Give me that boy, girl.
Brittany.
What? What, Mom? Let's go to bed. Come on. Come on, you really can't lay on the couch like this. Your back's gonna be
Out
out.
and about.
Okay, start your blues. Come on, Mom, let's go to bed. I put on the Weather Channel. You can see your man.
With her.
Come on, let's go to bed. Let's get up and go to.
I'm going to bed, Brittany.
You're still laying on the couch. So
I'm not sleeping out here. I'm
just what? Cause you're just snoring.
relaxed.
And you're just snoring.
But I'm not going to sleep out here, I promise.
We're supposed to that promise. Stand here.
If you don't go to bed.